Hey guys, Max here with CAtuned Off-Road. In this video, we're going to show you how to install a CAtuned brush bar on this 2024 Toyota 4Runner. So it's pretty simple, guys. Literally, it's going to take you like under 10 minutes. You need a buddy to help you lift this thing here and there, but overall, really simple. So let's get started. All right, guys, we have our brush bar here. We need basic tools. You can have like a hand 17mm socket. We have an electric one to make things faster. So what you're going to do is you're going to remove the factory toe points. And you're going to reuse the original bolts to screw this in. One fact, this is 1 3/4 DOM tubing outside. So if you're going to buy some clamps, make sure it's 1 3/4. All right, guys, let's get started. These are the factory toe points. You got one here, 2 bolts. See that? And then you have another one over here, same thing. So what we're going to do is start removing this. Basically, you're going to repeat the same process both sides. It's faster if you use electric tools. So you're not going to keep this. You're going to hang on to this bolts though. You need the bolts. Do the same thing on this one. All right, so once you have the toe hooks off, you're going to get another buddy to help you so you can screw these same position in. You might have to adjust it left and right per your vehicle, you know, so you have adjustments, okay? This is where the buddy comes in handy, guys. Basically, you'll have kind of level it out right there. This is what I was talking about. You have adjustments on the bottom, so you can go left to right a little bit. Power tools make it easy, guys, so if you have one, definitely worth it. Remember, we're not going to tighten it all the way for now. Just going to snug it. Make sure you have all the 4 bolts kind of in the threads. You don't want to cross thread this. There it is. Uh-huh. Yep, it's good. There it is, boys. All right, you guys, this concludes our video install on the 6th gen Toyota 4Runner. We went ahead and installed LP6s here on both sides with axial light mounts. You can purchase all that on our website. Guys, pretty simple. All this brush bar install is about 10 minutes. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate. Reach out to our website, email us, give us a call, DM us, you know, all good stuff. Thank you.